Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21, is a chromosomal disorder, and it only occurs when there is an additional chromosome in the 21st location on the karyotype. The cause of this disorder is the failure of homologous chromosomes to separate properly during meiosis, or non-disjunction, and can lead to the incorrect number of chromosomes. There are many variations of Down syndrome. One is called mosaic Down syndrome. Pattern of inheritance. In most cases of Down syndrome, passing on the condition to offspring is uncommon. However, there is a small chance for this syndrome to happen in future pregnancies. It is related to maternal age. For example, the older the mother is, the higher the risk of having a child with Down syndrome. But that is not always the case. In some minor cases, a mother or a father may have a balanced translocation of chromosome 21. As a result, the syndrome can be inherited, so genetic counseling could be required. It is possible for a woman with Down syndrome to become pregnant. Both males and females with Down syndrome can reproduce. Physical characteristics of Down syndrome. The most common physical features of individuals with Down syndrome are short neck, flat face, upward slanting eyes, low muscle tone, and a one crease instead of two creases on the hands. The pinky finger curves inward, and the feet, the first and second toes, are widely separated. They also have small ears and a large abnormal sized tongue. Children with Down syndrome have different abilities to learn in different ways, and it may take them longer to walk, talk, etc. compared to typical children. Some may have white spots on the colored part of the eye called brush field spots. They have delayed body growth, and most do not grow into their adult mature size. Down syndrome is usually identified at birth or shortly after birth. Down syndrome symptoms vary from person to person and can range from mild to severe. However, children with Down syndrome have a widely recognized appearance. Most children with Down syndrome have mild to moderate impairments. Some health issues of Down syndrome are obesity, a congenital heart defects, infection, respiratory, vision, and hearing problems. Treatments. There are no exact treatments for Down syndrome, but early intervention services should be provided shortly after birth. These services should include physical, speech, and developmental therapies. Special interest groups. There are many support groups associated with Down syndrome in the USA, but one is called the National Down Syndrome Society. Their main goal is to help people with Down syndrome and to be the national advocate for them. You can visit them by going to www.ndss.org. Another one is called the National Association for Down Syndrome. They host a lot of bowling and holiday parties to help people with Down syndrome. To get more information about this group, go to www.nads.org. Also, some groups ask for donations to be contributed in order to assist people with Down syndrome and their families. Bibliography.